BlueMetric is mission-ready water. We are world-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. BlueMetric provides a full range of environmental consulting services supported by bespoke engineering solutions for emergency, self-contained, and permanent water systems, and is always mission-ready with a full range of in-house support. There is no successful mission without water. We are proud to partner with Atlantic Canadian Industries. We are mission-ready water.
And welcome to Gale Force Winds. I'm Alan Dale. What an absolute pleasure it is to be here in beautiful St. John's, Newfoundland at MASS 2024. You know, the good people at the Atlantic Canadian Aerospace and Defence Association, they understand the importance of bringing people together. They understand how to take leadership in this sector right now. They understand collaboration and why they should be connecting all these people. And that's why they bring an event like this together. And our good friends here at BlueMetric, another great company, those folks see the importance of bringing the conversation to the table. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
Hi, I'm Pranaya Chakraborty. I work as a junior ILS analyst engineer for Fleetway Incorporated. And today I'm here at this conference representing not just Fleetway, but also SNAME, which stands for the Society of Naval Architects and Marine Engineers, of which I am an active member.
SNAME, great organization. They're doing amazing work. They too understand the importance of these conversations really matter. Tell me about now, you're a fairly young engineer, if I might say that. What was it about SNAME that really drew you towards them?
Yeah, so, you know, when I started at Memorial University at the Ocean and Naval Architectural Engineering program, SNAME was actually one of the first sort of professional societies which was presented to us as a class of like 16 aspiring naval architects. They were presented as the society to like reach out to in terms of making not only industry connections but also on improving your technical currency. And by that I mean, when we were first introduced to SNAME, we were told that SNAME provides its members with monthly journals, not only on the shipbuilding side of things, but also on the oil and gas side of things, on the naval architectural side of things. So all in all, SNAME seemed like just a great organization or society as a young engineering student to be a part of. So that's what drew me to SNAME originally.
Again, right, I go back to SNAME, they get it, right? They understand the importance of keeping their membership engaged in the conversation. But what I really enjoy about SNAME is that they get to get into the hearts and the minds of the next generation, and they're in the universities, they're talking about what it is that they do. And of course, the end result is great people like you join their boards, join their teams, and they continue that conversation on. Fleetway, tell me what you're doing there.
So I'm currently working as a junior ILS analyst at Fleetway. It's a great place to work for. So far, I've been there for almost 6 months. They're great people all around, great professionals. In my position as an ILS analyst, ILS engineer, I am not only working on the logistical engineering side of things, but due to my background as a naval architectural engineer, I get to work on a few naval architectural projects as well. Wow. Currently, I am doing surveys on board a vessel too. So it's an all-round, it's a very well-rounded experience for me. It has been so far, where I've gotten to work on things that fall directly under my technical capabilities, and then also some aspects of logistical based engineering as well, which is quite fun on its own.
Yeah, a good shipmate of mine, a good buddy of mine, we were shipmates together, and runs Fleetway, John Newton. He'd be very happy to hear you talk so eloquently about the good things, and they are good things, that Fleetway is doing for our country. So well done on that. So here we are at MASS. What are you excited about at MASS so far?
I am really excited about the different talks that are being held today. I just came out of the keynote meeting, the keynote address, with a lot of positive points and points of note. I really appreciated the way that the person who was providing the keynote address, how they view the NSS as a sort of like an ever-growing, sort of an organic thing that can not only be driven from the outside, but can help drive the growth of the maritime industry in the country by its own self as well. So that is something that I really appreciated. During the first address or presentation of the day, I also got to hear from the ex-mayor of Iqaluit, who was talking about how what challenges they have in the north, and how the different partners and communities can actually come together to foster growth. I found that to be a very productive conversation as well. So that's what I'm looking forward to most in this conference today, is just listening to such productive topics of conversation, and meeting and conversing with people who have good ideas and interesting perspectives, because this is a big industry and we're all coming at it from different sides. So that's something that I'm really looking forward to here.
A great perspective on things, and you must know that somebody like you in that room, I mean, you are one of the most important people in that room. You're the one with this long runway ahead of you of a career, and you can contribute so much to this industry. Do you sense all the opportunity that exists in here right now?
Absolutely. I mean, it's only when I just like to say, on a given work week, when we're working away at our desks, maybe sometimes it's hard to see the bigger picture, but when you come to a gathering such as this and you actually get to see the bigger picture, it makes things very interesting, and for me, it has always given me positive reinforcement in terms of thinking about my career, how I want to go about it, and just thinking about the industry in general.
Yeah. Snamey must be proud to have you on the team. There's little doubt that Fleetway is proud to have you on the team, but there's one person that I'm sure is very proud, and let's say hello to her. Say hi to your mom.
Hi, Ma.
That's great. What a wonderful conversation here at MAS 2024. Really good to have somebody with your perspective on the industry in the conversation. Thank you.
Thank you so much for talking with me.
BlueMetric is your partner and works with Atlantic Canadian industries and organizations who are concerned about the water health of our planet and the people who inhabit it in an environmentally and culturally sensitive manner. BlueMetric joins the growing number of like-minded, innovative Atlantic Canadian companies who are changing the environmental landscape for the globe in a world-class way. World-class experts solving our clients' most challenging environmental problems. We are mission-ready water.